y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, again on the AUDIOZONE here, man. First of all, thanking you guys for the support and the love of this channel, man. Today we have a very interesting build. We have a 2011. We have a couple cars here, but the one that piqued my eye the most is a 2011 Ford Mustang. This gentleman came in. He wanted his car to sound good. He wanted it to be clean. We went through a couple options with the young man. Decided to go with the Nemesis setup. We're doing a 1500 by 4 channel for the vocal. We're doing a 3K for its 2 sub. We're doing a custom box for the Ford Mustang. We're doing 8-inch Proaudios in the front, Proaudio tweeters in the front, 6.5 with the drivers in the rear, the module to all connect everything to his factory radio, of course the wiring kit, the labor, the installation, and everything else is going on this build. But you know what I'm saying, it's a big project. We gave this to Isaac, you know, he's the Ford dude, so we gave him this one to get this build done for this guy. And I know we're gonna knock it out the water. I know that for sure. We're gonna do what we need to do. This is what we do every day. I want to thank you guys for the support and the love we have, man. You know what I'm saying? Another status update. The Viper is still here. So for y'all that don't know what happened, this is my transmission for the Viper. And this is what they call the slave cylinder. This is what actually goes in here. When you press the clutch, it engages the clutch. Well, as you can see, it's broken. So for that reason, I'm waiting for the parts to come in for this car, but there's a nationwide back order. There's no parts for this car nowhere. I got an order from Summit, I got an order from the dealership, I got an order from a lot of places. Whoever come first, we're gonna get the part and probably grab the other ones also just to have them. The Viper's a beautiful car, but it's very rare. And finding parts for it is very rare also. But back to this video on this Mustang, I'm gonna show you exactly what we're dealing with. It's a beautiful 2011 Ford Mustang. It is a Pro Charge, dude, by V&P, so it's definitely a beautiful car. This guy has a lot of blood, sweat, and tears. This is not a regular Mustang. You can tell when somebody actually loves their car. Look at the attention to details and everything they do to this car. So this guy's car is extremely beautiful. They're gonna start, look, man, even the shift knob matches the car. They're gonna begin with the disassembly of this car, taking out all this stuff that came in from factory, and doing the installation that they need to do with the box. So this is what it looks like in the back right now. Nothing there. And this is of course what the car looks like, but they're gonna rip this car apart now and get it going very shortly to get this build done, which is kind of what it is. But at the same time, we have a couple other builds. We got the Jeep remote start. We got this one here for GPS install. We got this car because Mopars suffer from something, and y'all don't know. I'm gonna show y'all today, but Mopars suffer from having a screen with that little blog on top. You got the key on this thing, Jay, that I can show these guys? You know what I'm saying, on YouTube what's going on? So when you see these Mopars, turn off the radio now, maybe I can show them with the radio off. You see that little glare right there, y'all? Mopars are very famous for that. But we're about to take out this radio from this car and install a new digitizer to make it right, man. So long story short, we have a lot of other builds in the way, but we're gonna pinpoint today on this Ford Mustang and bring out some content on the build of this Mustang, what we have to do to get this car accomplished. It's hard for me to get on these videos and show y'all step by step because obviously I'm running the further store, but we will get it situated. So I'll do the best I can to get you guys the most content possible. Meanwhile that, we're gonna go play with somebody in the front. She was talking about my video, my wife, how I say I'm a Gemini survivor, and she said that because she's a Gemini. Okay, ma'am, so now tell everybody on camera what you told me today about being careful playing around with Geminis.
Bust your head.
She could bust my head, why? You're a Gemini too, huh? Okay, let's see the other personality.
I'm a sweetheart.
Huh? No, the other one. The Gemini side that we don't want to deal with, the bad one. That's the one. How you get that one pulled out? You just can't switch it on the fly?
Yeah, as long as you don't piss me off.
Well, switch. Can you just switch it, or you have to wait for something to happen? Because y'all alter egos. Turn your back on me, you alter ego.
It's a good thing.
It's sweet and sour, right? Depending on what you choose. All right, well, we're gonna let that go while everybody else doing what they gotta do. Of course, the channel playing y'all, but we'll be back with y'all very shortly. All right, Cruise, now we're giving you an update on the blue Mustang. As y'all can see behind me, man, my son Isaac is ripping and rolling. Front speakers are already going in. We're keeping the subwoofers in the bottom, 6.5s in the back. He is beginning to run this whole build, y'all. And y'all can see this car is completely torn apart, but we should have it back together very soon, and the customer should be very satisfied with this build, man. We got Zay in the background doing some rap and stuff like that, but stay tuned for the rest of this build, y'all. Cruise Crew coming back on the update on the beautiful Mustang. Speakers in the front are installed, modules installed, amplifiers are installed, as y'all can see right there. We're about to do the cutting now of the tweeter, so we decided, I don't know if y'all can see this on camera, but there's a hole here that's where the original speaker sounding from. We're gonna custom flush mount the tweeters right there on this bad boy and get it to sit flush. Josh is installing the subwoofers to the box. be able to get the box inside. We should have victory very shortly, man, but I'll tell you one thing, it's gonna be amazing, man. So the team has really put the hard blood, work, sweat, and tears in this car. We should see the result in a few minutes of what this car is actually gonna sound like. But we turned it on a minute ago, and all I can tell you that it sounds amazing. But now, you got to get the stuff buttoned up and get the reply from the customer to see where he stands on that build. Stay tuned. So the Mustang's on his way out, y'all. Boom, boom, boom. Excuse the mess, because we have a garbage problem here. But besides that, the car is on its way out. In fact, I'm gonna let Isaac pull around the block playing some music and show the customer his build that he gets the car and see what he thinks about it, man. So let's go see what's happened. The guys are cleaning, another late day. I wanna tell y'all on camera, I'm gonna make it up to y'all some way, somehow, because I know y'all been busting ass and I'm gonna take care of my team. But let's go see what the customer has to say about his build and his reveal. REELTOREAL up in the building over there, man. My dad, look at Real hanging out with Pops over there, boy. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is the two OGs, the OG of YouTube and the OG of my life. That's what I'm saying. No, I don't want to be old.
We the old Dept Row Records over here.
That's what I'm talking about. So, Mustang's here, customer here. Come on out, brother. I got, who's the young lady in there? Huh? Because I'm about to say, that's not the same girl you came with last time. No. This boy here, but you know what? Congratulations on a beautiful car. That I do want to tell you, but I want you to give it a little listen to and see what you're thinking about it as we get you a little. I'm gonna have my son give you a little demo, and then you tell me what you think about what your car sounds like. See if we got what you wanted done. Okay. Mustang fanatic too, you know that, right? He's the audio fox, that's him. Shh, I'm just gonna let you hear it. I told you I'm gonna make it. Well, I know what you were looking for, so connect your phone and give me some of your music in there. Don't put no jazz, no, you know what I'm saying? Don't be coming back with no jazz right now, but see if this gives the sound that you were looking for. Sit inside your car, put one of your favorite jams, put one of your favorite songs that you just like to relax to. Just something, give me something back in your age, bro. Like, give me something back in those days that you really just want to, you know, something you cruise to when you're mad or you're upset.
Bluetooth audio.
Well, it's amplified now, so it's not the same thing. Just go up a couple, go like, you know, can your goes Mustang, go up to the MU. Hold on. We're about to see what's going on, man. See if we got this young man taken care of. Now, I am gonna tell you on camera, something did happen, but I'm gonna take care of it for you. We broke something in your car. But I'm being serious, look at the camera. I'm being dead serious. Okay. On the process of doing it, he scratched your tint. Okay. But I'm gonna replace it for you. Okay. Yeah, that did happen, y'all. Okay. But we have to man up and say we did it. I'm not gonna come be like, dude, hey, no, we didn't do it. No, we did it, I'll replace it for you. But let's go see what you got going on in your music. Give me some Usher. Like, my son was playing Usher back there. Why couldn't we keep the Usher going? And of course, you know, REELTOREAL pulls out the damn vet in front of the shop that I'm so in love with, man. But you know, soon, man, you know what I'm saying? One day.
Man, you can get it.
I know, but I'm scared because I know if I get it, I'm going to keep it. I don't want to give it back, man.
Oh, you didn't even see it.
What?
I put the kit on it.
I did see this right now, the Aero kit. The Aero kit's on. Man, look how beautiful. Yeah, that came out really nice. Yeah. The Aero kit came out nice, and I like it black. Yeah. I do. I like it. I like it black.
It actually, it goes with all the black that's on it, because all of it
looks perfect.
Yeah.
It was. Again, you nailed it. There's nothing to talk about. That looks really good.
Spend the bag on it, buddy.
Bro, you gotta spend a bag to be able to enjoy yourself. You know what I'm saying? Man. But the car's beautiful.
That's a bag. I could have bought a whole nother set of wheels with.
Hell yeah.
Don't give the keys to the young.
No, yeah, no. Just give it to me. Don't give it to Isaac. Isaac would not mind though. He's a Mustang fanatic, man. But you know what I'm saying? It's crazy. You know what? This thing that happens sometimes, y'all. We're playing this outside the shop for a while, and now we're here and we have no audio. Why? I don't know. But let the team figure it out real quick. Supervisor, there's no audio playing now. After everything we're playing right now, he has no audio. So, what do you think it could be, sir? Stay tuned, y'all.
Nigga freak, that mean I ain't got a weird but I'm full nigga G, and I'm today is free, I'm F-R-E-E, full nigga freak, that mean I ain't
Yo. I'm talking about some Gregory Albop or something, bro. Come to some R&B. Give me some Mary J. Blige. Give me some, you know what I'm talking about. I want to see you get into your zone. That's not your zone. That's when you want to be young again. I'm talking about your zone, like, you know, when you want to enjoy yourself, like that R&B, that music you like to listen to when you're upset and you go for a ride. That's what I want to hear.
Hey, I'm gonna give something to Pop.
The car he always wants. But this is the all one. That's badass. I want to look at camera.
I can see your mind is
You don't want to get out your car? Huh? You stuck in your car right now? Yeah. You enjoying that? Man, tell everybody your name on the camera, man. What's your name?
Nate Watts.
Nate Watts. So this is your beautiful car. How long you owned it?
And I had this car about 8 years.
8 years. How you love it?
Love it.
This is your baby?
Love it.
What are you? Oh, man, my camera